The difference between you and the top 1% isn't luck. It's mindset. In the next 6 minutes, you'll learn how billionaires think and why most people never will. Rich people think in decades. Poor people think in weekends. The 1% plan 5, 10, or 20 years ahead, while the 99% chase instant pleasure. Every time you scroll endlessly on social media, you're investing in someone else's dream, not your own. Most people fear money. The 1% see money as data, a score, a tool. They don't spend to feel good. They invest to grow. If you treat money emotionally, you'll always lose to someone who treats it logically. A billionaire once said, "Poor people have big TVs. Rich people have big libraries." It's not a joke. It's reality. The 1% obsess over books, mentorship, and data. The rest? Memes, gossip, celebrity drama. What you consume is who you become. Most people talk about dreams. The rich work silently. While your friends argue on WhatsApp, someone out there is closing a 6-figure deal. Action is the separator. Silence is the power. You now know how the 1% think. The question is, will you change how you think? Subscribe to Daily Billionaire. We drop real lessons every week so you can build a real life.